The Toshiba VAF51-4550PL-HN is a 75 horsepower, 480 volts of alternating current motor controller used for running a large fan. This unit came to us from a ship and was part of the HVAC system, which uses a large number of high output blowers to maintain the air pressure. This unit came to us with an undocumented fault and required us to replace the main control board, in addition to a complete rebuild of the main power supplies used in this system. As shown in the video, we hooked up the motor control to our 50 horsepower test motor and it ran as expected. At ERD, we have the capability to do a wide range of sizes of motor controls, from fractional horsepower to the 400 horsepower at 480 VAC. We have experience in large horsepower systems, but typically due to size, they're repaired on site. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.